Hello guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you use ask your PDF in ChatGPT. So guys, to go to ChatGPT you can use your browser or you can just go to your ChatGPT app. I'm gonna use the ChatGPT app. Now in your app, if you want to enable the ask your PDF in ChatGPT, you need to enable the ChatGPT 4 version. So for that, click the top this get plus and you can just get the subscription, and after that you need to just click the top left this 2 dash icon, click on your profile in the bottom. Now in the settings option you can just see here beta features if you have the ChatGPT 4 version. Now in the beta features you can just see the plugins option, and in the plugins option you will see plugins store. In the plugins store you need to just go for the ask your PDF, and in your ask your PDF you can just put any PDF you want, and by that you can just ask for the PDF in ChatGPT. So guys, without ChatGPT 4 you cannot access to the PDF options. So hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Take care bro. Thank you so much for watching the video.